said it, son. Ghost and I are 10 mics out. Let's bag this bastard. Out here.
Makarov threatened the airport and he hit the stadium instead.
Fucking up, man. Fucking hell. Civilians are everywhere. Well, check your shots. Have a lot of unknowns inside.
And Makarov?
You heard the order. ROE still stands. Take him away.
Stop!
Right, get out of here, go!
Christ almighty. Watch it! Close one.
Still in one piece.
Fucking hell.
This is chaos. That's what Makarov wants.
Police up ahead.
They're going fast.
Killing civilians! Contact!
Turn fire!
Circle! Post
They'd have access to the VIP area.
From the 3rd floor, let's move.
Contact! Top of the stairs! Target's up top!
Stairs clear. No courses up ahead.
Stairwell's on the other end. It'll get us to the 3rd floor.
Check your shots in there.
Contact! Front!
Gold Eagle, Bravo 6. We're internal and pushing to the VIP area. Be advised, inner circle is posing as police. Over. Copy. All police on target are considered hostile. Roger that.
Moving left!
Clear them out, Bud. I'm moving. Dash down. Go! Move up, Sergeant. We're pushing to the stairwell.
They're using grenades!
Get down!
Smoke ahead. Careful. Moving through the concourse. Clear. Secure the stairwell. We need to reach the upper floor.
Gun through the shop!
Shop, coming. Move up, Sergeant. We're pushing to the stairwell.
Measure up the stairwell. Run, go!
X-rays down! 3rd floor's on target. Take points, though.
Moving on the stairwell! Two down on the stairs.
Copy. Next floor, Sergeant.
X-rays down.
Executive level. VIP area's close.
Well, let's get in there. Eyes on the
Clear.
VIP area.
Got movement inside. Stay sharp.
On you, Sergeant. Special Forces!
Hands! Show your hands!
First responders, don't shoot!
How did you get in here?
Security! Security let us in.
Who are you with?
Please, we are trying to save
Shit, I
lives.
need help over here. Soldier, help, please.
Stand fast,
These
Sergeant.
people need to get to a hospital now.
Who are you with?
Let us do our job.
Stand back. They're in a circle.
Please, these people are dying.
Where is Makarov?
Check it. They had explosives. This was the next target.
Gold Eagle actual. Explosives located in the VIP area. No sign of Makarov.
Copy. Make it safe. Locals set up a cordon so Makarov will have to exfil fast. We're 5 mics out. Don't let him escape, son.
Roger that.
The garage.
Affirm. Secure the explosives, then get to the secondary exfil.
Copy.
Here, we'll use a lift. Pull. Eyes peeled for Makarov. Check fire. That's a civilian. Get to safety. Go. Vehicle incoming. Get to cover. It could be Makarov. Step out of the vehicle. Incoming. Let's go. Move to secure. Hold it at the ambulance. Open it. Hands!
Kazuruki! Bleeding Jesus. It's him.
Vladimir Makarov, get out of the vehicle now!
Nice and easy. That's far enough.
Now don't fucking move. Search him.
You scared, Captain? You should be.
Shut up.
Get on your fucking knees! He's clean.
You're going to kill me.
Oh, I thought about it, yeah.
I recommend you do.
And I recommend you tell your men to stand down.
You're not trained to stand down. That's more your strategy.
Keep him close. All stations, we have Makarov. We're moving to the extract.
Roger that, John. They'll fight to get him back.
We're counting on it.
All right, take him left. We clear these vehicles, we move up.
Rog, get going.
Clear.
Move.
Keep Makarov moving.
You're walking into a trap. Think you just walk me out of here?
I can drag you out as well.
Capturing me. It means nothing.
It means we beat you, Vlad. Move.
Don't be a fool.
Contact! Return fire! They're using Molotov.
Это машиной! Движется! Нет двое! Я в укрытии! Макс, проверь боезапас! Полный порядок! Стреляй, пока не...
We clear? Affirm. Grab Makarov. Let's move. So, take him.
I'll take him.
It's not safe here. We need to move.
You're not safe anywhere.
Your luck's running dry, Makarov.
I don't believe in luck. I believe in planning. Bad luck. It's just poor planning.
Well, part of your plan includes rotting in a prison.
All the way through, Sergeant. Let's move.
I bestow my blessings on your courage, but curse your speed.
Go, worry about yourself.
Every man is replaceable. Even me.
Tighten up, Soap.
Move.
Christ, you're not a soldier. You're a war criminal.
These people need medical.
What's stopping you from helping them, Sergeant?
You.
That's your choice.
You did this, not us.
But innocent people.
No one is innocent. War is treachery.
Enough of this shit.
Through. It's clear. Visual on the exit.
Look. Time for you to meet some friends of mine.
What are they?
Move your ass close.
So are mine.
You should know when you've lost. I said move.
You're still thinking about victory.
Incoming! Up on Makarov. Clear him out.
We're clear.
Rally at the gate. We're moving external. On your knees. Lift it. Other side, Vladimir. Move. Gold Eagle Actual, we're external. East side of the stadium. What's your status?
Bravo 6, we're on station. Be advised, you have enemy personnel moving in from the north. Ghost will provide sniper support.
Copy. We'll meet with the primary exfil. 6 out. I'll handle Makarov. You clear a path. I've got Makarov. Move up. Secure the area, Sergeant. Let's get to exfil.
Down. Target eliminated. One's down. Visual on 3 X-rays. One threat still down there. Take the shot. X-ray down. We're clear. No visible threats.
Moving up with Makarov.
Bravo 6, we're inbound to the HLZ now.
Solid copy. We're moving.
Let's move, let's move.
I'll handle Makarov. You clear a path.
Time to go, Sergeant.
Got Makarov. Move up.
Get on the bird. Let's go.
I'll handle Makarov. You clear a path.
Move your ass, Sergeant. Get on board. Get on the bird. Let's go.
Simon Riley. I expected you to stay at the airport and die there.
If you want to live, do not threaten my men, Vladimir.
Are we on first-name basis? Herschel.
So you know names. Anyone could read a bloody dossier. What's the rest of your plan?
This.
What do you mean, this?
Amazing. You're all dumber than you look.
I asked you a question.
And I have a question for you. What time is it?
What the hell do you care what time it is?
Timing is everything, General. I think we'll all remember this moment. Some more fondly than others.
The airport! He pulled us off target! You fucking son of a bitch! I'll blow your fucking brains out, you if you hear me. I swear to God I'll do it!
Do it, come on!
You shut your mouth!
Let me finish him!
John, we have him. He's in custody. He's not going anywhere. Stand down, Sergeant.
I thought you were the good guys.
You gonna rot in hell for this.
You'll die in the gulag with the rest of the Russian rats.
I'll be seeing you again, McTavish. I promise.